Today, first ever Brahmaputra sailing expedition being completed by our courageous NCC cadet. We have started this journey from Vishwanath Charoli and ended here at Pandu, Guwahati. So this is a very, I believe, exciting experience they have gathered out of River Brahmaputra. And they have learned many method, technique, skill, whatever is required for a sailor to combat the situation arising out of the rivers and particularly the natural calamities, whatever, during the time of sailing. And this gives a lot of moral boasting, and also this gives a lot of confidence to our young bright students who are there as a cadet in NCC. So I hope today the first ever Lasit Borphukan Award winner, Commander Mr. Malse from Visakhapatnam from Indian Navy. So this is a pride moment for all of us. The person who had been awarded after the name of the greatest general of all time in world history, Lasit Borphukan, who defeated Mughals and during the last Saraighat battle, which is very famous in the world history, particularly in the naval war. So I believe today, and all the young bright students who are there as a cadet in NCC must develop their also capacity as well as their skill to cope up with the growing situation of their lifetime and also the growing situation of the country, so that they can always play the role of a dedicated and courageous, brave soldier to protect the national pride, prestige, integrity, unity and sovereignty. So that is our prime commitment, and we are all today are very encouraged and very much fortunate to work under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has been taking the lead with his commendable effort and initiative, not only in India but also in the global kind of human activities. Good luck, particularly Mr. Bakshi, under his command. This NCC is growing, and particularly the entire Northeast tomorrow will definitely benefit out of building our young bride for the future.